wanted to record this quick video to demonstrate the Frixion 0.04, the Frixion Clicker 07, as well as the Frixion Light Highlighters. I just got these in for use in my planner, and I've been using the Frixion 0.04 for a long time, and I absolutely love it, so I wanted to compare the Frixion Clicker to it, which is a little bit of a thicker point. One thing that I love about the 04 and the point is it is a very fine point. And it's easy to write with, it doesn't smear, and it erases very cleanly. All right, let's try the clicker. So one thing I noticed right away is that you actually click it down with the tab here. And I don't like that it's very jiggly. I like my pens to feel secure. So this jiggly part kind of bothers me just to start with. So it's not bad. It has a little bit of a jump in the very beginning when I get started. Once it's flowing though, it seems to work pretty well. I tested this earlier and it does smear a little bit, and so it has a short dry time. I can see myself using this once in a while, but because of the jiggliness, I can't see myself using it every day, to be honest. All right, let's check out the highlighters. I love the cute packaging. I got all these things on Amazon. All right, so we have the pink. The highlighters are very muted, and I do feel like they're a little bit dried out for some reason. They don't have a good clean highlight. They do erase really well though. All right, let's try the orange. Maybe just the tip isn't saturated because I'm just using these for the first time. But I'm finding that they skip a lot. I'll try to do the pink over again just to see. I don't usually highlight more than once, so they're interesting, and they do smear a little bit. All right, let's do the yellow. The yellow is pretty juicy, and it's a pretty bright yellow compared to the muted of the other ones. All right, so aqua is a really pretty color. I love using erasables inside of my planner because, let's face it, we all make mistakes, and I like things to look right, and I don't want to agonize over messing something up. So you can see there's a little bit of like a, I don't know, it's like there's some resistance with the paper. All right, and we got the purple. I was really attracted to the color of this set. So here's the final results. They're interesting. I really like how they are a little bit more muted. My regular highlighters are super bright. Like, it's just a regular Sharpie highlighter, and so just for comparison. Oh, interesting. I always thought this orange was super bright, and I guess it actually isn't very bright. Let's try the pink and the yellow here. So we're just comparing the Sharpie highlighters to the Frixions. The pink there, that's kind of bright. And the yellow, as always, is very much bright. So that's a neon for sure. But these don't have any kind of like wetness, whereas I did feel like the Frixions did have a little bit of wetness and dry time. So this is interesting. I will probably continue to use the Frixion 0.04 in my planner. I'm actually going to look to see if there are larger sizes in the point, because this clicker is not going to work for me with that jiggliness. And I'll have to see how these highlighters go. I am excited for the more muted colors. So I hope this is helpful for you guys.